Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, StatimUSA.com. Here we have a Scican Statim 5000 Cassette Seal, also known as a Gasket OEM. The color is green. That is how you know that it is an OEM part. The aftermarket seals are black. They do not last nearly as long as the OEM green ones. StatimUSA.com stocks these. We ship them on our website via 2-day mail for free. We also have installation videos that we can share to help you install this properly. We also offer free technical support at 704-966-1650, prompt 3. Give us a shot, give us a shout out. We'll take care of you. StatimUSA.com, home of all of your Scican OEM parts needs.